In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your Shopify store in 2025. Whether you've made a mistake or simply need to revert to an earlier version, restoring your Shopify store can seem daunting, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you can follow along with ease. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, locate the tab labeled My Store. This is your starting point for managing the various aspects of your Shopify store. It's here where you'll be able to access all your shop's features and functionalities. Next, you'll want to click on the Online Store link. This section of the dashboard is pivotal for any changes or restorations you'll need to make, as it houses your themes, blog posts, pages, and navigation settings. It's essentially the hub for customizing the aesthetics and structure of your site. From there, you'll need to click on the Themes section. Within this page, you will see a list of all your current, previous, and available themes. Themes are the cornerstone of your Shopify store's appearance, so ensuring you have the correct one active is critical. Now look for the theme labeled Dawn and click on it. This is crucial if you are in the process of restoring to a previously used version that suits your needs better than your current setup. Being methodical in selecting and confirming theme choices will ensure your store reflects your desired branding and design. As you progress, you may notice several highlight buttons throughout the interface. These act as markers pointing you to the sections or features that may require your attention or offer additional customization options. Move through these prompts methodically, ensuring each area is as intended for your store's restaurant. Finally, you will arrive at a theme option called Savor. Click on this to complete the process. By doing so, you will integrate the theme or elements you intend to restore into your online store. This step wraps up the technical adjustments needed to revert your store's design and functionality to a prior form. Remember, while restoring, it's always good practice to double-check your settings and configurations to make sure everything looks and functions as expected. This guide, while comprehensive, should be followed with patience and care to avoid any accidental errors, and there you have it. With these steps completed, your Shopify store should be successfully restored to the way it was before any changes were made. This kind of maintenance is an excellent habit to ensure your online presence remains consistent and error-free. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.